Complacency rules. NASDAQ and Russell are flying. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And of course, here we are in the markets. There was a little more volume today, but the markets were really kind of dead. I mean, they had a couple of moves and that was it. And if you weren't on the right side, you just got stung. The NASDAQ was really wild up and down, but closed up big on the day. Russell closed up big on the day. Dow flat, and the S&P was higher. So again, we're seeing the strength. We're seeing a lot of complacency out there. At the end of the day, the complacency is going to rule the day, and eventually we will see that the markets will turn over. But again, we're going to remain, I know it's boring, but we're going to remain patient and observing, not trying to get involved here too much. Again, volatility got cracked pretty good, down about 80 cents. So, again, not much to really going on here, not much to do. The grains got clobbered today. Again, to me, it looks like a shakeout of the weekends. The volumes were light there as well. Gold had a little bit of a rally, nothing great, but certainly looks like it's breaking out to the upside. Bitcoin was, pretty much right around the middle, but I think it's on support, as we said yesterday. In fact, I bought some Ethereum yesterday, but in the meantime, here we are, with not a lot going on. The meats were trying to rally and then got clobbered. So we saw a big hit to a lot of the commodities and a lot of the other things where the equities continue to rally. We looked at the oil market. Oil was up, it was down, and then it closed slightly up on the day. But again, it's just doing this little churning pattern up near that 67 level where we want to sell it. That's about where it closed. We've got a lot of stuff happening. We've got all the news out, and we've really done nothing. But what we do see is a continuation of complacency. The bonds were up all day, but had one brief, quick sell-off, dropped about 20 ticks and rallied all the way back, closing near the highs. We want to be very careful here, as the markets at any moment have a greater likelihood to break than they do to have a big rally. Now, I'm not going to say they're not going to continue to rally, but there's a great possibility that there'll be a sharp vacuum break, and that's what I'd be concerned about, which is why I'm not looking to get long. Now, again, if we come down to a support level, certainly the right side of the general market trade is the long side. So we'll continue to watch and see how this all plays out. But we really don't have a lot to do here. There is not a real solid footprint here. There is not a lot telling you. What the markets are telling me is that they're going to continue to drift in a very dull market fashion higher. But at any moment, there could be a reason to sell off. Now, again, we've gone through a big week of data, not much happened. So let's just continue to be on the sidelines observing. Let's continue to watch and see what's going on. And of course, we will just sit back and wait, and we'll be back on Monday with Bubba's Daily Update, because again, I'd like to give you more information, but there isn't much to do. I can give you who I like in the U.S. Open, and that would be Justin Thomas I like, and I also like Ian Poulter. So those are two just, kibitz kind of plays. But in the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update, Todd Bubba Horwitz. And of course, don't forget about our high school investing program, highschoolinvesting.com. If you'd like to help us out, go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every single day from 4 to 5 Eastern at LibertyTalk.fm. And again, it's better sometimes to wish you were in a trade than to wish you weren't. That's it for Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you on Monday with the next update, and over the weekend with Bubba's Bottom Line. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks.